For someone who would like to join Frontlearn, I would love to encourage them to come here. This is the best place. For sure, this is the best school. I've learned a lot. This is the place to be. So for anyone who wants to join Frontlearn Institute, don't hesitate, don't doubt. This is the best school I've ever been to. The mode of teaching in baking and pastry class, as in you as a student, you are very advantageous because the teacher is there one-on-one with you, as in you're not taught as a group. You are taught it's you and the teacher. So you're getting information direct to yourself. So there is no group thing or what. So the mode of teaching, I can just say, is just great. As in you have direct interaction with the teacher. When you have a question, just ask her. She's right there beside you and she's guiding you in every step that you are going. So I can say the mode of teaching is just great. It's just great for me. In terms of equipment and the theory part, practical thing, equipments, I haven't seen any equipment lacking in this institution. They have the very high class equipments. Okay, when it comes to like baking and pastry, let's say 90% of it is practical. So at Frontlearn, they do consider more practical, which is the best thing to do. So I can say the practicals are just okay. They are to the great level, and also the theory part is just okay.